Before your exercise physiology appointment, you need to click on the App Store on your phone. Typing in the search bar, Physi app. Once you have typed in Physi app, click on the correct app and click download. Once you have downloaded the app, press open and allow Physi app to send you notifications. At the time of your appointment, and if you are using a phone or tablet, these are the steps to take. You will receive an email from your exercise physiologist. This email will contain a link to Physi app. Click on the link. Once you've clicked on the link, allow notifications. Give access to your data and agree to the terms of service. Click Next. Click Next and then press Done. You will then receive a call from your exercise physiologist. Press the green button to answer the call. Make sure you allow camera and microphone. You are now in your telehealth consult with your exercise physiologist. You can also use a code to log in. Find the email from your exercise physiologist and click on the code. Copy or write this down on a piece of paper. Go back into Physi app and enter the code. Then enter your year of birth and press Access Your Program. You'll then receive a call from your exercise physiologist. Press the green button to answer this call. You can also use a computer instead of a phone or tablet. Make sure you go on Google Chrome or Firefox, go into your emails and click on the link that the exercise physiologist sends you. Click Join Video Call. Once you've clicked on this, you are now in your consult.